My name is Yaman sir. I am from Malwa, Rajasthan. I did my graduation specialized in electrical engineering from Purnima Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jaipur, Rajasthan. After that, I was preparing for government job but couldn't able to succeed over there. After 2 or 3 years, I started my journey as a trainee from AnalytixLabs, where I learned about various tools like Tableau, SQL, Excel, and Python as well. Over there, I got trained as a data analyst. After completion of my training, I grabbed a job in Jaipur Drugs company, which is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. And over here, I am working as a data analyst. Actually, first and foremost thing is fees. Okay, if we will compare other institute fees with AnalytixLabs, they are charging us 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees for the same course. Second point is I have purchased a pre-recorded session from AnalytixLabs. So on the Saturday and Sunday basis, they used to provide me doubt sessions as well. If you want to complete course as soon as possible, then you can do it that way also. Third thing is Manoj Singla sir. The way he presented each and everything was mind-blowing. In Jaipur Drugs company, I didn't take any training as well, and I am performing their work in a quite good manner. Each and everything over here I am performing was taught by Manoj Singla sir. In just 3 months, I grabbed a job in Jaipur Drugs company, plus I am performing in a quite good, great manner over here. Pre-recorded videos are also known as self-paced videos in AnalytixLabs. I have opted for self-paced course. In what duration you want to complete the course, that is up to you only. If I am going for a job and hardly I am getting 1 or 2 hours at 10 pm or 11 pm, I can just open those videos and I can start learning from there. And if I am having any type of doubt, so these doubt sessions will be conducted on Saturday and Sundays. If you have any type of doubt, you can clear it on that day. Actually, when I was going to buy a course, so what I was expecting from an institute is not only they can provide me placement support, but they have to cover all those modules in a way that I can grab a job at my own also. AnalytixLabs worked on my skill sets. They have presented those modules in such a great manner. When I had took admission in AnalytixLabs, I didn't know about what Python is, what Tableau is, what SQL is. But in just 3 months, what I grabbed from AnalytixLabs is perfect. After completion of my projects, the interviews calls are being raised up exponentially, and those 9 to 10 projects changed my life. I started giving interview sessions, and that boosted my confidence as well because I have worked on 9 to 10 projects. The course curriculum is perfect. All you have to do is you just have to follow AnalytixLabs, nothing else. If you are free and you can devote a video for a day, and you can work on projects as well, in 3 months, maximum 4 months, you would be able to complete the course and would be able to grab a job. I blindly believe AnalytixLabs, and that played a major role in changing my life. Support provided by them, by the AnalytixLabs, is perfect. Like what I used to think is, where a institute should provide a proper skill set. Placement thing is after this. If you have skill set, then you can grab any job. They have provided me 8 to 9. After getting placed in a company, then also they are providing me, okay, you can fill the Google form and you can appear for the interview round as well. So after providing after grabbing a job opportunity, after that also they are providing me links of Google form for the interview sessions. So that's quite helpful for us. They are providing you support. They are providing you each and everything. You just have to work hard.
You have to fully devote your 3 months in studies. If you are taking self-paced course from AnalytixLabs, then in 3 months you will be able to clear all your basics or the tools that are going to help you to become a data analyst. On a daily basis, like you have to complete a video as well as the project associated with the video. It will be more than enough. I did it, that's why I'm saying. So it's my experience